How to get apples in Minecraft. So the first way you could do is just simply go to a tree. So as you can see, I already got one. You just simply need to break some leaves right here. So it has a small chance of dropping, but if you basically repeat this process over and over, you'll eventually get the apple right here. So it might take some time. It might just drop some sticks and stuff. You just need to repeat this process till you get an apple. The second way you can find apples are from chests. You can either see it on the starting chest or any random chest on the map. So next is from a farmer. So basically when you go to a farmer, right click on them, they can sometimes sell you an apple right there. So just need to simply wait for it to reset or something. But eventually farmers tend to sell you apples once in a while. So if you eventually stumble up onto a village, go check a farmer and check if they are selling or trading apples on their trade section right there. And that's how you basically get apples in Minecraft.